Hey everybody, and today we're going to be downloading an emulator and getting it up and running. Today we're going to just start out with this site, which I'm going to have linked down in the description, mgba.io, and we're going to go ahead and download the latest version, which was just updated in March 28th, 2021, so pretty recent, and we're going to just click 0.9. And this is just the description. It tells you what the emulator does, how to change settings, and what's new in the recent update. So we're just going to scroll all the way to the bottom because we already know kind of what's going on here. And we're just going to go to the very bottom where it says downloads, and we're just going to click downloads. And I'm going to download in 7Z, which is just 7-zip format, which you can also download Windows Installer, which will just give you a prompt and you follow the instructions there. But for now, we're just going to be doing 7-zip. It's going to download. I'm just going to put save as, and I'm going to put it on my thumbstick E because that's my preferred download spot. It's going to download. We are going to go ahead and go to files, and we're going to go to thumbstick E, and we're going to go ahead and double click it, open it. And this is a 7-zip window, which you're going to be seeing a lot, and you probably have seen a lot of if you're in the emulating scene. And I'll put a link to 7-zip because it's a helpful program to have on your computer for this kind of stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to click extract, and we're going to want to put it to wherever you're going to put it at, wherever you want to extract it to, which is going to be for me in Drive E. So we're just going to press OK, and it's going to go ahead and extract it. All right, it's done extracting. So we're just gonna X out of here, and we can just go ahead and delete that. Yes. And we're gonna double click the mgba 0.9.0 win32 file. We are going to, if you want to navigate to this folder and open mgba this way, then you're all done with this tutorial. But if you want to send a desktop copy to, or send a shortcut to your desktop, you're going to right click mgba, and you're going to press send to, and you're going to press desktop. And that's going to send a shortcut to your desktop. So you can just go ahead and X out of these now. And now you have a mgba shortcut. We're going to open that, make sure it works. Perfect, it works. And my icon's glitching out, but you won't have to worry. You will have a good looking purple GBA here. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open it. And there's actually two different ways. There's actually two different ways of loading GBA ROMs on here. So if you have the GBA ROM on your desktop, you can just go ahead and drag it in. And that will go ahead and start up your GBA ROM. Another way, if you're going to navigate manually, you can just go File, Load ROM, and you can navigate to where it's at. So mine is going to be on my desktop, Pokemon Emerald, and we can load it that way too. And it took me a while, but I figured out finally how to get it into full screen. So you want to go to audio/video. You want to go to lock aspect ratio. You want to unclick that. And you want to click frame size. And you press toggle full screen. And it'll go ahead and put it in full screen. And I thought it would be F11 to get out of full screen like most programs. Was actually F10. So you press F10, file, and you can just save. And it'll make a save state there. And we can just navigate out of this. So that is how you download mgba and how you get a shortcut to your desktop so you can start playing your GBA games. I hope you liked this tutorial and I hope it was helpful. If you did think it was helpful, I hope you leave a like and subscribe and leave a comment down below what I should be doing next. Okay, thank you for watching and bye-bye.